And today we're making rock candy for Christmas. Rebel canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. You will need a candy thermometer for this candy. Caro syrup, flavored extracts. This brand is USA made in Lansing, Michigan. Don't forget to pick up a different food color for each flavor you choose. Add the sugar to the pan and be sure to use a much larger pan than you think you're going to need to prevent any boiling over. This recipe doubles well. Just make sure to get an extra cookie sheet ready in advance for it. If you double the recipe, you don't want to try to put it on one cookie sheet. You don't want it too thick. Next, add the Caro syrup. And then add your water. The hotter the better to help your sugar melt and start to dissolve. Stir just until you get the sugar completely dissolved in the liquid. This can take quite some time. While waiting for the candy to come up to temperature, go ahead and line your cake pans, cookie sheets with parchment paper and cover with powdered sugar. Once it gets up to the correct temperature, add your food coloring, then your flavorings. Then carefully and gently pour out over your parchment lined powdered sugared cookie sheet. And we learned the hard way, don't do a double batch on one cookie sheet. You really want it to be the right thickness. Do each batch on its own sheet. Do each flavor in a separate color and on separate cookie sheets. Let it set until it cools completely and hardens, and then break into pieces with a kitchen mallet using eye protection. Dust with powdered sugar and store each flavor in its own separate container, or they will absorb the flavors of each other. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.